I'm just going to summarize this article that I'm going to link below the video. And this is basically about what I consider the best exchange for day trading. I'm keeping it very simple in this article, and there's a reason why. I think we can get a little bit too confused if I concentrate on a whole list of some of the better exchanges out there. I will mention other options, but I'm going to zero in on just two or three. So the idea here is you want to choose what the best exchange is for day trading, and I'm going to assume that that means when you're reading the article that you're interested in not just trading Bitcoin but also other altcoins, or altcoins such as Ethereum, EOS, Ripple, XRP, and Litecoin, etc. So if you're going to start off from the very beginning and you haven't actually got any crypto at all, then my suggestion is to use Coinbase. It depends upon where you are and what country you live in, but I'm zeroing in on some of the areas and regions such as North America, Europe, and some of the areas and regions in Asia. Coinbase is set up to accept fiat transfers from a lot of these regions, and I've actually written out a more thorough list here in the article. So the idea is that you can transfer through your bank account or even through a credit card your fiat to Coinbase, where you can purchase Bitcoin or maybe Ethereum or XRP. Actually, you can't buy XRP, pardon me, on Coinbase, but you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and there's a few more other coins that you can use to transfer to the exchange that I'm going to recommend that you do your day trading on. Now, there's a whole bunch of exchanges out there. We've got some of the other top exchanges include Bittrex and Polynex and Kraken. I think there's Bitmen as well. BitMEX is another that comes to mind. All of these are solid exchanges, but I think, again, I'm going to keep the focus narrow. Again, the idea being keeping it simple for someone who's first starting out. Transfer your money first of all to Coinbase, and then from Coinbase you can then transfer in the form of the cryptocurrency of your choice. I would suggest probably Litecoin or maybe Ethereum to Binance. Binance is what I consider one of the better, if not the best, day trading exchanges out there. The website for Binance is Binance.com, and here it is here. Here's the Binance.com login. This is probably the best Bitcoin exchange out there at this time, and again, I'm using these terms broadly as far as the best because Binance is has proven itself on various occasions, and it's got a large flux of traders that are investing in it to support it and buoy it up. So you're looking for exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance that have large volumes passing through them on a daily basis. It doesn't guarantee that they'll never be insoluble, but certainly if you're going to choose an exchange, you want one with lots of volume and therefore lots of monetary support. This is again the Binance.com exchange. I consider it the best cryptocurrency exchange out there. It's great as far as the altcoin day trading because the fees are extremely low. So again, I go into more detail in the article itself as to why I've chosen Coinbase and Binance, and I've also provided links for you as far as the fees for each of those different exchanges. I also talk a little bit about Kraken. Kraken being another alternative to Binance. Again, if you want to get into what's called margin trading, I go into a little bit more detail here as far as what that entails. But if you're interested in margin trading, then Binance at this time doesn't offer it. You might have to go with Kraken if you're thinking of going that route. Binance itself is fairly easy to transfer into. I've given you instructions on how to do it from Coinbase. So again, you can take a look at the videos that are linked to this article, that again linked below. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe at the bottom. I'd appreciate that. Thank you.